Hello everyone, Gaza Mutkarsh, and I welcome you all to this session on data import and integration. So guys, let's have a look at the agenda for this session. The agenda for this session includes solving queries on some SQL data, and then we'll be importing the SQL outputs into Excel. So guys, first we'll have some data set onto which we'll be solving multiple SQL queries, and we can either import the entire SQL data to the Excel, or maybe let's say for the questions that we have solved. Now, prior to this session, we have discussed the subqueries, the nested logic, the joins, the group by, and the having. Right. So guys, let's switch to the MySQL workbench. So guys, we are over here. The database that I'll be using is dbdemo1, and over here I do have a table called the sales table, right? So अगर हम sales table को observe करें, so let's have a look. Over here we have a total of 500 records. We have a total of 500 records, and अगर हम इस data को observe करें, so let's observe the columns that we have. So we do have the customer ID, then we do have the first name, then we have the last name, then we have age, gender, city, email, contact. After contact, let's say we have address, then we have the order ID, then we have the order date, then we have the product ID, then we have the price, then we have the quantity, then we have the coupon code. All right, and after the coupon code, next we have let's say after coupon code, we have the product ID, the price, the quantity, the delivery charge. After quantity, we have coupon code, then we have the delivery charge, then we have the delivery date and the delivery time. We have the delivery date and then we have the delivery time. So this is kind of, let's say, it seems that we have combined multiple tables for this data, because we have the order details, the order delivery details, and the product price and quantity. All the details are present in essentially in just one table, right? So let's perform some very basic queries. So first of all, we do have the first name and last name, right? So let's solve the first question as, maybe we can combine the first name and last name. All right, over here I'm combining the first name and last name. So how can this be done? Over here I can write, maybe select, okay, individually I'll be printing the first name and last name, and then I'll be combining them. So first name, then the last name, then over here I can simply say concat, and in the concat first I'll be writing the first name, then the means I need to provide some space, and then I'll be writing the last name. All right, and let's call this the full name, full customer name. All right, full customer name from the table sales. So the table named is the name of the table is sales one. So this is what I have, and this is what I'm getting. So over here I'm having the first name, the last name, the full customer name, right? So this is the first name, the last name, and then over here I've mentioned the concat first name and the last name as the full customer name from the sales table. So this is how I've concatenated the first name and the last name, and clearly it works, right? So this works clearly. Next, let's proceed something onto the sales. So I'll be displaying the table, select star from the sales table. So this is what we have, right? We have the customer ID, the first name, last name, age, gender, city, email, contact, address, order ID, order date, order time, product ID, price and quantity. So we do have the price and quantity. So based on price and the quantity, can we compute uh, let's say the amount, right? So amount we can compute. Then on the amount obtained, we'll have to add the delivery charge, and then maybe based on price and quantity we can also apply the coupon code. All right, so we can apply the coupon code over here. So see, okay, first let's identify what are the distinct coupon codes. So over here I'm writing select distinct coupon code, right? Select distinct coupon code from the sales table. So if you observe this, so see, we have flat 8, then we have flat 15. So this is the percentage discount. Then we have flat 20, then we have flat 10, right? So we have flat 8, flat 15, flat 20, flat 10. So what are these? These are discounts. And when we have del0 means zero delivery, right? So these indicate, let's say, they indicate flat 8 is 8% discount. All right, flat 8 indicates 8% discount. Then flat 15 is simply 15% discount. All right, then what about flat 20? Flat 20 is 20% discount. And then flat 10 is 10% discount. This is 10% discount, and del 0 is zero delivery. Zero delivery charge. This is what indicates the zero delivery charge. All right, so this is the data that we have. So first let's simplify. First let's extract the percentage discount and the delivery, right? So how can this be done? So let's extract this. Over here I'll be writing select coupon code, then case. So if let's say coupon code, if coupon code let's say like, if it contains the term flat, all right, if it contains the term flat, then what do I need to extract? So I need to extract the last two digits, right? Either the last one digit or last two digit. So what do I need to use? So over here I can write whatever is present after right. So then over here I'll be writing write off. So if coupon code like this, then write off coupon code, and then maybe if I write 2, so this would be 1. So then write off coupon code comma 2. So let's call this and end as let's call this coupon code. All right, and what is the table name? From the table name sales. Currently let's see what am I getting. So I'm getting T8 because I've extracted the last two characters, but for 15 it's working fine. So I need to ensure if it is let's say, okay, maybe I can write it separately. So if it's okay, what are the different options that we have? Flat 8, 10, 20 and 10. So I need to extract last two characters if the length is 5. All right, so maybe, and let's say length of coupon code is equal to 5. All right, so if its length is 5, then I'm extracting a single character from the right, and when the coupon code let's say like flat, all right, flat, but the length is greater than 5, right? When the length is greater than 5, then I need to extract the last two characters. So now if we check, this is coupon code. So now I'm getting the 8 and the 15, right? 8 and 15 I'm getting. Now what about delivery? So this is handled. Flat 8, flat 15, flat 20 and flat 10 are handled. And next if let's say, so this is the discount offered, right? Let's call this the discount. This is the discount percentage, and as let's say this is the discount percentage. Else let's set it to 0, else 0, and as discount percentage, right? From the sales table, this is what we have. And let's say when the discount percentage is 0, next I'm creating another column. So this is the discount percentage, and next I'll be creating case when, or let's say yes, I can simply say case when coupon code. So what are we handling over here? Find the discount percentage, and let's say zero delivery records, zero delivery charge records from the coupon code. All right, this is what I need to extract. This is the second question. So इसके लिए यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, over here I've extracted let's say one coupon code like flat percentage, then length of coupon code is 5, then write coupon code 1. When the coupon code like flat let's say flat percentage but the length of coupon code is greater than 5, then this, and as discount percentage. And case when let's say the coupon code like, so over here if we have something like del, all right, so if it is like del, then I need to set 0, all right, then I need to set 0. So this column would be else. So basically I'm flagging it, right? I'm flagging it. So then 1, else 0, as let's call this 0 delivery, else and as 0 delivery, all right, from the sales. So if the 0 delivery columns contains 1, means let's say there will be 0 delivery charges. Otherwise we'll have to, let's say, set the delivery charge. So now if I run this, see, flat 8% discount, the 0 delivery is 0, and flat 8 again 8%, flat 15 15%, 15 20 and percent. So wherever we do get del 0, so I'm getting 0 delivery. Right, so this way we have handled the discount percentage and the 0 delivery, right? So next let's find the amount. Let's try to capture the amount that we have. So amount निकालने के लिए यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना होगा? This is the third question, right? This is the third question that we have, and to capture the amount, what needs to be done? Let's say for each row, find the total amount. So how is let's say what is the formula? So what is the intuition behind finding the total amount? The intuition is, so अगर हम data देखें, right, if we observe the data, so we have select star from sales, ये हमारे पास sales का data, and इसको अगर हम देखें, so we do have this data. So star from sales में over here this would simply be, this would be price into quantity, all right, this is the first thing. Then price into quantity में let's say delivery charge बाद में add होगा, minus price into quantity का, then इस पे क्या apply होगा, we would apply some discount percentage, all right. तो इसका जो भी amount है उसमें उतना percentage discount मिला on to the price and quantity. So if the let's say price into quantity is 100 and the discount percentage is 10, so overall this would become 90, right? So 10% discount on price into quantity. So this is let's say where discount is handled, and on top of it we'll add the delivery charge. इसके बाद यहाँ पे हमें क्या ऐड करना है? We have to add the delivery charge. So because we have implemented the subquery so far, so now we can handle this effectively. So यहाँ पे first of all I'll be writing, let's say select, so maybe I can use some order ID or something. So over here I'll be using the order ID, right? Over here I'm using the order ID, then I'm mentioning the price and the quantity. हमने यहाँ पे price mention किया, then I've added, or let's say I've displayed the quantity after price and quantity. Next I'll be displaying the coupon code. This was the coupon applied. Then we have the delivery charge. All right, coupon code है, delivery charge है, that's it. Price, quantity, coupon code, delivery charge, right? And then इसके बाद हम display कर सकते हैं, I can display price into quantity. So price into quantity is the amount. I'm not adding it up, so this is simply the amount. Then because यहाँ तक हमने details capture कर लिया है, next what can be added? Over here I can display this. This is what I need to capture to ensure that let's say what is the percentage discount and the remaining stuff. So guys, this is what I've added, and maybe I can cast it to integer. All right, I can cast it to integer. So cast as unsigned. All right, so as unsigned. So this is typecasting. Over here I'm typecasting it to integer because I need to multiply this, right? So I'm casting it to integer, and let's say for the delivery it is 1 and 0. So over here यहाँ पे हमने क्या क्या display किया है? We have displayed the order ID, the price, the quantity, the coupon code, the delivery charge, and on top of it then I'm computing the price into quantity as the amount. All right, so and then case next I'll be writing the coupon code like flat percentage. So and the length of coupon code is 5, then cast write coupon code comma 1 as unsigned, then coupon code like flat. So this is length of coupon code. If it is greater than 5, then the logic that I'm using is cast write coupon code comma 2 as unsigned, right? यहाँ तक हमने implement कर लिया है. Then else 0 and as discount percentage. So this is the let's say delivery charge from the table sales 1. Let's display this. Let's see. So इस order ID के corresponding, this is the price into quantity, price and quantity. Then we have the coupon code, the delivery charge. This is the amount. Then the discount percentage offered is 815 this, and this is the zero delivery, right? Whether we are ordering, whether we have the zero delivery or not. So total amount अभी भी हमारा capture नहीं हुआ है. Now to capture the total amount for each order ID, what can be done? So based on the output obtained over here, right? अब जो भी हमारा यहाँ पे output आया है, based on this output, what do I need? I'm storing it as let's say some derived table dt. Over here I'm writing select star from, all right, and ये पूरा data हमें यहाँ पे output में मिलेगा. I'll be getting this entire data as the output over here. इसके बाद अब हमें क्या करना है? Next what can be done? Over here let's say what I'm going to do, price into quantity है, right? We do have the amount, we do have the coupon code. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? So after the amount and the coupon code, right? So next I can use amount, and amount में से amount का ये जो let's say the discount percentage है वो subtract करना है. So instead of discount I can simply write discount percentage. इसको हमें subtract करना है. So this would be amount into discount, amount into this is simply going to be discount percentage by 100. Alright, इसको हमने amount में से subtract किया. So जो भी result आया, this is the amount after discount. Alright, and इसमें हम क्या add करेंगे? And let's add the delivery charge. इसमें हमें add करना है delivery charge. Okay, so this is let's say amount after discount. So इसको एक बार run करते हैं and let's see this. So guys, the amount over here is 1544, but amount after discount is 1420. यहाँ पे 8% का discount था, so this is let's say 611. So let's see जहाँ पे 10% का discount था, so 1090 minus let's say 109, that is 981. So we are getting the correct result, right? And because ये I'm getting the decimal places, so इसको हम round off कर देते हैं up to 2 decimal places. So this is what we have implemented. So this is the amount. Let's say this is the amount for each order after the discount. Next, I need to compute. So we are solving it in steps, right? As we have seen, as you have seen, we are solving it in steps. So amount after discount आ गया. Next, I need to add the delivery charge. So इसी amount में we have to add the delivery charge. So again, I'll be wrapping it in a subquery again. So let's call this dt2. Alright, and over here I'm writing select star from, and star के बाद हमने यहाँ पे लिखा amount after discount, right? अब यहाँ पे हम case बनाते हैं. यहाँ पे I'll be writing the case statement. Case when the zero delivery is equal to 1. Zero delivery is equal to 1 means कि अगर let's say delivery 0 है, so means if the delivery charge is 0, so when zero delivery is ensured, then I just have amount after discount as the final amount. All right. Else if this is not the case, then else हमें क्या करना है? Amount after discount में we have to add this. यहाँ पे we have to add let's say the delivery charge. So यहाँ पे I can write, I'll be adding the delivery charge. All right, delivery charge हमने यहाँ पे add किया, and end as, let's call this this is amount after discount and delivery charges. So let's call this the final amount, right? Final amount paid. So this is what we have, and यहाँ तक ये हमारा implement हो गया है. Let's see this. So let's run this and check. So guys, this is the order ID, price, quantity, coupon code, delivery charge, then we have amount, then we have discount percentage, then we have zero delivery. So अगर आप observe करो, so if we have the zero delivery, amount after discount, and the final amount paid is same. But is it the same for others? No. So यहाँ पे the amount after discount was 172 plus 15 rupees delivery charge. So that makes it 187.16 because we started with 172.16, right? So this is the delivery amount that is added, and likewise these are the results. So if this is same, if zero delivery is 1, then these two values are same. Alright, so guys, this is how, let's say, we have captured the final amount paid. So this is how, let's say, it's a long query, and this is how we have captured the final amount paid for each of these values. Alright, so एक बार इसको हम दोबारा देख लेते हैं. What have we done? Over here, let's try to concentrate on the inner query. So first I'm writing select order ID, comma price, comma quantity, comma coupon code, comma delivery charge, and then I'm computing the price into quantity as the amount. And then case when the coupon code is like let's say flat percentage and the length of coupon code is 5, then हमने यहाँ पे mention किया है. Then over here I'm adding cast of write coupon code 1 as unsigned, and over here I've mentioned when coupon code like flat percentage and length of coupon code is greater than 5, then over here I've mentioned write of coupon code 2. So if it is just like flat 8 percentage, तो हमने पहला वाला let's say case consider किया है, and when over here we do have coupon code like flat something like this where the length of coupon code is 5, then greater than 5, then I've considered write के 2 digits, right? And I've converted it to I've used the cast function to typecast it. Then I'm considering else as 0, and the discount percentage case when the coupon code like uh, let's say delivery and maybe 0, then 1, मतलब अगर 0 delivery 1 है means the 0 delivery will be offered, else 0, right? else हमने 0 set किया है from sales 1. So अब इसको हमने एक सब query में wrap किया है. The sub query name is dt, and then what we have used over here, I'm using select star, and then over here I'm rounding it up to let's say round off में हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, over here I've written amount minus amount into discount percentage by 100. तो ये जो डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज आया था, द डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज जो हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किया है, इसको हमें अमाउंट में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, राइट? सो लेट्स से इफ द डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज इज 20 एंड द अमाउंट इज 100, सो 100 minus 20 by 100. ऑलराइट, 100 minus 100 into 20 by 100. सो बेसिकली 100 का 20% हम 100 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, सो दैट रिटर्न्स 80. इसको हमने 2 डिजिट्स तक राउंड ऑफ किया है अप टू 2 डिजिट्स. डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज को 100 से डिवाइड किया बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट द परसेंटेज. We have to divide it by 100 because this is the value is in percentage, right? So this is the amount to be paid after discount. तो यहाँ तक हमने निकाल लिया, एंड यहाँ पे हमने जीरो डिलीवरी के लिए भी एक कॉलम बनाया था कि इफ द डिलीवरी लेट्स से if the delivery column if the coupon code contains DEL, so DEL indicates that will have zero delivery, else 0 means कि delivery charges add होंगे, 1 means delivery charge add नहीं होंगे. So this is kind of a flag column that we have generated just to ensure कि कब हमें delivery charge add करना है, and when we don't have to let's say include the delivery charge. So अब इसके basis पे अब हमने क्या किया, so again I'm wrapping this up in separate query. So यहाँ से select तो I've selected this entirely and I'm wrapping this up in DT2. Alright, over here I'm wrapping this up in the DT2, and then over here I'm writing so when the zero delivery is 1 and select star case when zero delivery is 1, then amount after discount यहाँ पे कितना होगा, amount after discount would be let's say amount after discount plus delivery charge end as the final amount paid, right? So अगर delivery charge 1 है तो amount after discount let's say delivery charge 1 है, so means okay, so delivery charge 1 means zero delivery, right? So plus 0, यहाँ पे 0 means I'm not adding any delivery charge otherwise. So if the delivery zero delivery में 0 है means it has let's say okay, let's say I can say is, इस कॉलम का नाम चेंज करते हैं, is delivery charge applied, is delivery charge applied, 1 means yes. okay, so ऐसा करते हैं, इसको 0 रखते हैं, इसको 1 रखते हैं, राइट? सो 0 ओवर हियर इंडिकेट्स कि डिलीवरी चार्ज अप्लाई नहीं होगा. ऑलराइट, 0 ओवर हियर इंडिकेट्स कि डिलीवरी चार्ज अप्लाई नहीं होगा. So if the zero delivery की values now it is not let's say zero delivery, the column name is delivery charge applied. Let's call it DC. Is DC applied, delivery charge applied. So if is DC applied की value अगर 0 है means no delivery charge is applied. Otherwise amount after discount would be amount after discount plus the delivery charge. So इसको एक बार रीरन करके देख लेते हैं. So guys, if I were to rerun this, so आप यहाँ पे देखो So is DC applied 1 है, so means yes, delivery charge is applied. So let's say delivery charge कितना है, 10 rupees. So 1420 plus 10, 1430, then 665 plus 18, this is 629. This 611 plus 18 is 629. Then 15 rupees delivery charges added on 172, which makes it 187. Randomly कुछ values पे scroll करके देखते हैं. So when the delivery charge is 14, amount is 132 and 15% discount, so we get 113, and then the final amount paid is 127 because 14 rupees delivery charges added. But यहाँ पे जहाँ zero था वहाँ पे even is DC applied is 0, so we are not adding any value, right? So the amount after discount and the final amount paid is same because no delivery charge is applied. So now this makes more sense. Alright, अब यहाँ तक हमने solve कर लिया है. So maybe either we can store this output as the into the Excel or maybe some other output. So एक बार और let's say this was the third question that we have solved. Okay, the first question was combine first name and last name. Second question was to find the discount percentage and the let's say zero delivery charge records for the coupon code. Let's say from the coupon code for each order. हर एक ऑर्डर के लिए हमने ये कैप्चर किया है, राइट? सो हर एक ऑर्डर के लिए इसको निकालने के लिए हमने ये लॉजिक यहाँ पे यूज किया है. सो गाइस यहाँ तक हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया एंड लेट्स से इसको अगर हम ऑब्जर्व करें, so this is what we have. We can store this output into let's say Excel. कैसे हम इसको Excel में एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, let's see. Means we'll be exporting it as a CSV file only. So let's click on the export button over here. We do have 500 records. अलग से हम इस फाइल को भी ओपन करके देखेंगे and let's say I'm calling this. So यहाँ पे sales के साथ we do have sales amount, right? Sales 1 का हमारे पास final amount भी है. So I'm storing this as a CSV file. Let's save this. So once I've saved this, then I can go to this folder and यहाँ पे if we check, we do have the sales amount, right? So we have seen how to let's say export the SQL output into the CSV file. So I'll open this file and then I'll show you. And so guys, if you observe over here, we do have the order ID, price, quantity, coupon code है यहाँ पे हमारे पास. Then we have the delivery charge amount. Then we have discount percentage. Then we have is delivery charge applied. Then this is the amount after discount and this is the last column which is the final amount paid. Alright, ये हमारा last column है. And how many records do we have over here? So अगर हम यहाँ पे total records check करें, so we have okay, single column check करते हैं. So we have 501 records. 500 records in total. The first column would be the first column हमारा क्या है? That is simply the header, right? So header को अभी हम include नहीं करते हैं data में. So this is the data that we have. Alright, so we have seen how to import the SQL, how to export the SQL outputs into the Excel/CSV files. It's more convenient to use it as a CSV file. Alright, so guys, यहाँ तक हमने ये कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए on the same data. We can further extend, we can solve even more questions because this is an interesting data set to work upon. We can solve a number of questions from here. Let's say I can display customer wise let's say total amount and so on, so based on the same data, right? So for that we need to store this output. This output को maybe we can store it in a temporary table, we can store it in a view, or we can even utilize CTEs. So these are a couple of other advanced concepts that we can utilize. Then we can also check what is the let's say in how much time let's say was the order delivered, right? We can identify the order in how many days was the order delivered. So if the order date is 2024-307 and the delivery date is 2024-310, so means it was ordered on 3/7 and it is delivered on 3/10, so it took 3 days to deliver, right? And even we do have the order time and the delivery time as well. So iske basis pe bhi we can proceed with couple of analysis. So guys, that brings us to the end of this session. So I'm switching to the PPT. So in this session we have discussed how to solve queries on the SQL data, and we have also seen how to import SQL outputs into Excel. So in the next session, let's say we'll be discussing how to import let's say Excel/CSV files, or typically let's say CSV files in MySQL and Postgre. Thank you.